welcome to my tutorial for Urban Informatics and Modeling. My name is Minh, and today I will introduce you about the Openstreetmap website. You can easily access this website on the Google search or just type this website address at openstreetmap.org. The OpenStreetMap is the tool for creating and sharing map information. Anyone can contribute into OpenStreetMap, and thousands of people add the project every day on the OpenStreetMap. The important thing is that the OpenStreetMap are safe on the internet, so anyone can access them at any time, anywhere for free. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to map in OpenStreetMap so you can start creating OpenStreetMap data. But before you learning how to map, please make sure you have set up an OpenStreetMap account by signing up with your own email. Once I log in OpenStreetMap, you can see the map. To the right of the map area is the map control panel in black, and where the first thing is the zoom in and zoom out button, and you can show your location by red on this here, and you can also change the map base by click on the next button later. Map base with the standard map or cycle map where highlight the cycle network or the trendboard map. You can click on the map key to read the map easily. And for the next thing is share button, where you can set the link for sharing your map or download the map or the geolocation. And the next things is the note button, where you can add note as specifically that you want or the comment on the specifically. On the left hand side of the screen is the search area where you can simply type the location. For example, I will type in an address here, enter or press go. The map will change to the location that you are searching. And as you can see in this area, it's not in the city center, so not too many data have been contributing here except this area. And you can see in this lane that show very clear about three main elements that you can map on the OpenStreetMap. This is a point where you can see as the three location or the mark place, and the line is can you at marking the road and the path here, and the arrow used to mark the outline of the building as well as the outline of the land or the large area. To start to edit the OpenStreetMap, go to the edit button or click on the arrow here to see the drop down box will give you few options. From now, the ID is mean in browser editor. It's easy to use because you are not have to download anything to use this. So start with this. Now you will be able to create the map data by adding points, line, and area. You can select which action you would like to perform. For example, I will start with the point and just click on the point button and click it on the position on the map where there's a building or area that I would like to define. For example, like that, the node will appear, and also the dialog box in the left hand side to show a series of descriptive options to input will appear here. And as I know, this area is the childhood center, so I will select it to define it as the kindergarten. And if you know more information about this area, you can add more field. You can fill all the field in there with the address, the telephone number, then operator, and more. If you want to make contribute more information about this, for me, I will type this name and then I click out to the map. It's finished. Don't need save anymore. Just move the mouse to the node and we can see the dialog box appear. If we want to change or delete the node, just right click on the node. So more modified tool appear here. Also the track can for delete. And go with the line here. I will use the line to trace around the driveway of this area. Start at the entrance at the main road and follow the driveway here. So to finish drawing the line, just press enter. And I will define it at the driveway. And now we will explore how to modify the line. Right click on this and we have a lot of action to modify this. For example, you can see there a small arrow around the line. So if we want to change this show the direction of the right way, if we want to change to the opposite direction, we can use the reverse. Now the arrow is change direction. So we can try to flip shot, but if when it flip shot, the main road is changing because it link with the main road. So we had uh, this thing go wrong, and we would like to go. We need to go back, or we need to go undo. So look at the right bottom. Here we had three very important buttons about undo, redo, and save. So press undo to go back and try to disconnect this line with the main road by right click again and go disconnect. Now try to flip. So you can see it's disconnect with the main road. So whatever you modify on this, it don't give impact on the main road. Just undo. Now we come with the area. We can I use the area to trade the building shape here. I would like to define it at the building. The important thing to you at the level information in the height of the building when you mapping data on OpenStreetMap is very helpful when you build up the 3D model from the OpenStreetMap data later in your 3D tools. And to fix the area, just right click on this and I choose where to make it in the good shape. After done all your mapping with point, line and area, remember to click save. By clicking save after mapping, your chain go live to entire world. And remember to hit the save button often. The last important thing is the help button here. You can click on this and see the value information and the answer to question. That might help you about the ID editor. There's roll down and there's also a walkthrough which will guide you through the process of editing in OpenStreetMap. That's all for today. See you in next section.